Help, my kid is robbing me. Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. And this is kind of a sad tale. It's come to me as a result of two separate legal matters that I'm dealing with now, in which vulnerable adults are being exploited by their children. And sadly, this happens all the time, normally at the hands of a family member, and quite often, as I said, as a result of a child exploiting a vulnerable adult parent. And the scenario is set up when the parent does what they think is the right thing and executes a power of attorney document, which gives the person that they name in that document the right to make legal decisions, oftentimes financial decisions, on their behalf if they're unable to make them themselves, or they choose to turn that authority over to their agent. So when you do a power of attorney, you have the choice of whether to make it effective immediately upon its signing, or, as I most often recommend to my clients, to only make it effective if two doctors say you're incapacitated to the point you can't make the decision yourself. Because if you make the agency effective immediately upon the signing of the document, well, then that person can stand in your shoes and do anything that you could do legally, including, as has happened in these two cases of mine, going to the bank and literally taking all the money out of their parents' account and moving across the country. Now, they can claim that they're doing so with the best interest of their parents in mind because they want to have the money to keep the parent from wasting it or squandering it. But oftentimes that's a slippery slope. And in the second case, the parent was literally forced out of their home and moved against their will into a nursing home. So this is some of the downside of executing a power of attorney and giving that agent the authority to do so immediately. That's why you need to talk to an attorney such as myself to get some advice and some counseling as to when is the best time to make that legal document effective. For more information about power of attorneys or healthcare directives or any other aspect of estate planning, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to be able to share our experience with you. Thanks so much. Again, I'm Neil Tyra, an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland. I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.